Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover the incredible properties of castor oil, a natural remedy that's been trusted for thousands of years. Often called nature's Botox, castor oil has been used by civilizations like the Egyptians and Romans for its healing properties. But what makes this oil so unique? And is it safe to use, given concerns about the toxin ricin? Let's dive into the fascinating world of castor oil and explore its benefits, applications, and precautions. Why castor oil deserves the spotlight. Castor oil has gained a reputation for giving skin a soft, glowing, and firm appearance. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, or dry skin, this oil can be a game changer. The magic lies in its main phytochemical, ricinoleic acid. This deep penetrating moisturizer locks in hydration, leaving your skin nourished and rejuvenated. Many people apply castor oil at night, and when they wake up, their skin looks significantly better, hydrated, smooth, and radiant. It's a natural solution for maintaining youthful skin, but its benefits don't stop there. Castor oil for hair health. Castor oil isn't just great for your skin, it's also a powerful remedy for hair care. Applying it to your scalp can work wonders, especially if you have split ends, dry hair, or even hair loss. If you're dealing with alopecia, castor oil might help stimulate hair growth. To use it on your hair, apply a few drops to your fingertips and rub it deeply into your scalp. Then, run your fingers through your hair to coat it lightly. Many people leave it on overnight for maximum hydration. When you wake up, your hair feels softer, healthier, and more manageable. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. One of the standout features of castor oil is its anti-inflammatory effects. If you have inflamed or irritated skin, applying castor oil can provide significant relief, comparable to over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications like ibuprofen. Additionally, castor oil has antimicrobial properties that support the skin's natural microbiome. The surface of your skin hosts a diverse microbial life that protects against harmful bacteria, fungi, and yeast. Many skin issues, including acne, are related to an imbalance of these microbes. Castor oil acts as an antidote, helping to restore balance and reduce skin-related problems. Nutritional boost for your skin. Castor oil is packed with nutrients that benefit your skin, including vitamin E, provides protection against UV radiation and pollution. Beta-carotene, a vitamin A precursor that supports healthy skin. Magnesium and potassium, essential minerals that promote skin health. These nutrients help fade dark spots, even out skin tone, and support collagen production. Collagen is critical for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the signs of aging. Regular use of castor oil can keep your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Healing scars and stretch marks. If you have scars from acne, stretch marks, or injuries, castor oil is a must-try remedy. Apply a few drops to the affected area and gently massage it for about 30 seconds. Over time, the oil can help fade scars and improve skin texture. How to apply castor oil. Castor oil is thick and sticky, so a little goes a long way. Here's how to use it. 1. For skin, apply a couple of drops to your fingertips and massage into dry, wrinkled, or irritated areas. Focus on spots that need extra hydration or care. It's best to apply castor oil before bedtime so it can penetrate deeply while you sleep. 3. For eyelashes. If you want longer, healthier lashes, rub a small amount of castor oil into the roots of your eyelashes daily. Safety precautions. While castor oil is incredibly therapeutic, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Pregnancy. Avoid applying castor oil to your abdomen or pelvic area if you're pregnant and not ready for labor. Castor oil has been known to induce labor in some cases. 2. Quality matters. Always choose high-quality castor oil. Opt for cold-pressed, hexane-free, and organic varieties. Jamaican black castor oil is a popular choice, known for its enhanced properties. 3. Toxin concerns. Some people worry about the toxin ricin in castor oil. Ricin is a highly poisonous compound found in castor beans, but rest assured, the manufacturing process eliminates this toxin. Castor oil sold for cosmetic and medicinal use is tested and safe. Castor oil as a makeup remover. Another popular use for castor oil is as a natural makeup remover. It's gentle on the skin and provides additional hydration while removing makeup. Many people mix it with other oils, such as coconut or olive oil, for added benefits. The paradox of castor oil. It's fascinating to consider how something derived from a plant containing one of the world's most toxic substances can also be so healing. Castor oil's journey from being potentially deadly to therapeutic highlights the power of careful processing and nature's complexity. Final thoughts. Castor oil is a versatile, affordable, and natural remedy for skin and hair care. From reducing wrinkles and inflammation to promoting hair growth and healing scars, its benefits are vast and well documented. If you're looking to incorporate castor oil into your routine, start with a high-quality product and use it sparingly. A little goes a long way. Whether you're tackling fine lines, dry skin, or thinning hair, castor oil might just be the solution you've been searching for. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to share it with others and subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.